Hi, this is Erik from Toddle. I want to show you a new feature in Toddle that allows you to share stuff. So in the browser, we have this share API. Um, Browser support is not great at the moment, but still we added support for it now in Toddle. So I want to show you a short example here. So I have my weather app here, and when I click my list item, I want to share something. So we have this new action called share that allows you to share a URL or just a title or text. For now, let's say I just want to share a title with the temperature of the day. Or maybe we'll do something like this. Temperature. And then we find the temperature temp day. And we can put in the degree emoji here. There we go. All right, so that's the title I want to share. Now, if I refresh this in my simulator, you'll see that when I click the first item here, it pops up the native share dialog. So this is because Safari and iOS supports this. However, if I refresh it on my Firefox browser and I click it, nothing happens here. So what you can do is you can add like a condition. So we can add in a switch statement here saying, and then we use this can share. I'll just put in a random text for the title here. It seems that you need to pass something in for it to work on Safari at least. And then we move this, just copy it up here, move this one. And so if sharing is not supported, instead we could do something like copy to clipboard with the same value. So we'll just put that in here, paste it. Right. So let's try again now on iPhone. We can still share. And in the browser, if I click this one and paste it in here, you'll see that it actually copied the temperature as we expected. So this is how you can do sharing within Toddle. I hope this was useful. Thank you.